Good morning, student. Hope you all are good and staying at your home safely. So, student, today we will start with the chapter The Happy Prince, that is from Moment Book by Oscar Wilde. So, as I had completed chapter 3 of Beehive with the poem and story, everything. Today, this is the last chapter of our half yearly course. So, till moment, only 4 chapters are coming. The first one is The Lost Child, second, The Adventure of Toto, and the third one was skipped. So, the fourth chapter is coming, and the fifth is your The Happy Prince. So, in this way, we are going to finish our chapter, and we will start with the Happy Prince today. So in this I will be giving you the introduction part, then about the characters, and then the highlight of the chapter. So the story The Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde is a story of a prince and a little swallow. Swallow is a bird name. Bird. The Happy Prince was a beautiful statue on a tall column in the city. The story throws light on the problems of social inequality, the healing power of love, and the loss of innocence. The statue of Happy Prince used to be very happy when alive because he was kept ignorant of any sadness or suffering outside his palace walls. So, he was kept on a high pedestal after his death. His statue was made of gold, ruby, and other jewels. His placement atop allows him to witness for the first time the pain and misery experienced by the poor of the city of whom he had remained ignorant. A solo bird and the statue of prince sacrifice their happiness and wealth for the good of others who are more needy than them. So, this is the introduction. Now I'll explain you in the in English, in the summary. I will be explaining you the event which has happened in the story. Now we will go with the about the characters. That is the Happy Prince. He is a beautiful statue which parts with all its wealth to help the poor and needy. And the second one is a swallow. He is a migrant bird who sacrifices his life to help the prince in distributing his valuable among the poor. Now I'll go with the highlights of the chapter. So the first event that is of the chapter is the statue of a happy prince. So student, a statue of a happy prince is installed at the top of a tall column in the city. मीन्स जहाँ पर सिटी का जो एंड होता है वहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़ा टॉल कॉलम था, वहाँ पर उसका स्टैचू को प्लेस किया गया था. So he was a real prince at one time. When he was alive, he was a very real prince. Like he was very happy also, and he was happy when alive because he was kept ignorant of any sadness or suffering outside his palace wall. It means that he don't know. Actually वो कुछ भी दुख उसके पास तक नहीं आते थे या वो दुख को जानता ही नहीं था. He don't know the what is sadness is because he was very happy and he was staying in his palace, and he was like he kept himself very happy. So he don't know what sadness is. So he was happy, and when alive he was kept ignorant of any sadness or suffering outside his palace wall. His life was one of a joy and fulfilled desire. He always was full of happiness and enjoy his life in a full mood. So upon his death, a statue was made depicting him, which was covered in gold but beautiful sapphire for eyes and had a ruby attached to the handle of his sword. So when his statue was placed at the top of the column of the city, he has a sword in his hand, and in that sword there was a ruby placed, and his eyes was made up of sapphire, 2 red sapphire jewels, and many jewels was there in his statue. And because of the values society places on gold and jewelry, he was thought to be quite beautiful. So when those jewelries were attached to that statue, so that statue looks very beautiful, and that is also useless remarked as a town councillor but beautiful. जो town के councillors थे, they just put that rubies and jewels in that statue, so that the statue looks beautiful. So he is adored by all who see him, means he just look very beautiful, and everyone started adoring him, means started liking him, because he looks very beautiful with those jewels in the statue. And unfortunately for the statue, his placement atop high hills allow him to witness for the first time the pain and misery experienced by the poor of the city, for whom he had remained ignorant when alive. और जो उसका जब when he was alive, he don't know what sadness is, because he was unaware of the misery and the unfortunate things which were happening in his like in his society or in his town. So when he was placed as a statue on the top of the column of the town, from where he can see all the things that is happening in his town. Now he can see the pain and misery of the people living in his own town. Now he can see what the people are suffering through. So when he was alive, he was very happy, and he don't know the sadness, and he also don't know the pain and the misery of the people of his town. But after death, what happened? He was placed as a statue in the form of a statue at the top of the town, and from where he can see all the things of his town people. Now the second event was the swallow arrived the statue. So one day what happened, once the statue happy now was very sad, and a self-serving swallow bird on its annual winter migrant to Egypt arrived to take overnight shelter beneath his statue, and eventually become affected with gratitude by the statue kindness and desire to help other. So once what happened, a swallow bird came there, and he wants to take a shelter, but he was not getting any shelter, so he just sit between the leg of the happy prince statue. And when he was sitting under that statue, means between the leg of the statue, what happened, he thought that there was a rain going on. But when he just opened his wings, what he had saw that the statue was crying. Now after listening the story of happy prince, that he is not at all happy, because when he was alive he can't see the pain, but now after the death, when the people had put his statue at the top of the this town, he can see the misery and the pain of his town people. So he just want to help the people of his town. So after seeing his kindness, swallow decided to help the happy prince. Now the third one, swallow become messenger to the prince. So the swallow become the statue messenger and agree to remove the jewels and gold from it on the prince's command to bring contentment, badly needed financial security, and the compensation to the needy people seen by the prince. So these needy people include, he want to help the poor people or the needy people, because the statue contains ruby, gold, and many more jewels in it. And now he don't want that. He just want to, happy prince statue wants to help his town people. So now the swallow become a messenger for him. Now the needy people included सेमिस्टर्स who are the seamsters, जो सिलाई करते हैं, ठीक है, जो कपड़े जो सिलती है ना वुमेन. So that was a seamsters. So now the seamsters, first he had help a seamster who has no money to feed her ill child. So he happy prince statue has given his ruby from his sword to buy through the swallow. आई विल टेल यू इन द स्टोरी. ये मैं सिर्फ आपको एक इंसिडेंट बता रही हूँ कि फर्स्ट जो हेल्प सोलो ने करी थी हैप्पी प्रिंस की, दैट वाज गिविंग बाय टेकिंग आउट दैट रूबी फ्रॉम हिज स्वॉर्ड, and then he just fly to the town area, and he give that ruby to his to that sinister woman who has a ill child in her home. Then a young man who is too poor to buy a coal for his fireplace in the winter, who is given a sapphire. So again happy prince commanded swallow to take one sapphire from his eyes and go and give that to a poor man who don't have a proper wood or thing to fire at his place, as it is a winter time. Then a poor young girl who is barefoot and without covering for the head of in a winter, who is given the other sapphire. And then the fourth person, many poor and starving people who were given parts of the gold leaf covering the prince statue. And the gold leaf was which was on the this one on the statue of a happy prince, that was taken out by a swallow, and he just gave through the poor people or starving people who were in his town. So in this way the swallow act as a messenger of the prince to carry the gold and the jewels to those needy people. As you all know that the statue of the gold and jewels are taken and distributed among the poor. So now the prince is no longer able to see the needy people around him, as his eyes have been removed. He knows that poverty is there, and he is not blind to the suffering of others as he once was. So even without eye he knows that poverty existed. अब उसके पास आँख तो थी नहीं, because he had given his both sapphire from his eyes to the needy people, but he knows that अभी भी क्या है, उनके जो टाउन एरिया में है वो क्या है, अभी भी there were poor people, or the poor people still existed in his society, in his town area. So now the winter sets in and swallow dies. Eventually, as winter comes and it starts snowing, the swallow lies at the feet of the statue and dies from exposure and exhaustion. So he could never reach Egypt, because he exchanged his dream of warm climate and comfort with a bigger dream. And what was the bigger dream? To bring help to those who are in need. Now the next one is statue breaks and is melted. So the heart of the sculpture cracked with the sadness at the loss of his friend at the swallow. The most beautiful part of the statue, the kind and a given heart could not be seen from the outside. So when the statue once what happened, the town councillor and the mayor decided that he is no longer useful, because he is no longer beautiful, as the sapphire was not there, the sword was not, the ruby was not there, the gold leaf was not there. So much like the poor who was exploited and tossed away by the rich people, the statue is also taken down. And when the statue is melted in a furnace, the broken heart made of lead does not melt. So it is thrown away onto the dust heap where the dead swallow also lay. So in this way the god asked for the two precious things from his angels, that go and bring the two precious things in the city. So the angel brought the leaden heart of the happy prince and the dead swallow. So God praised the choice of an angel, and God said that the little bird would sing forever in his garden of paradise, and the happy prince would praise him forever in his city of gold. So in this way everything was completed, and the statue was taken down, and when the statue is melted in a furnace, the broken heart made of lead does not melt, so it is thrown away into the dust heap, and where the dead swallow lay. Now I will explain you in a Hindi in a very short manner that there was a happy prince statue. When he was alive, he don't know what the sadness is. वो अपने टाउन के पीपल का भी वो दुख नहीं देख पाता था. जब वो मर गया तो क्या हुआ, उसका स्टैचू एक बहुत ज़्यादा टाउन के जो हिल टॉप पे वहाँ पर उसको प्लेस किया गया, और उसके स्टैचू को ब्यूटीफुल दिखने के लिए वहाँ के जो टाउन काउंसलर और मेयर थे उन्होंने क्या किया, जो तलवार थी, दैट इज़ अ सॉर्ड के अंदर रूबी लगाई गई, उनके लीफ गोल्ड की लीफ बना के उस स्टैचू पे लगाया गया. जो आइस थी दैट वाज मेड अप ऑफ सफायर। अब हैप्पी प्रिंस जब तक वो अपने पैलेस में थे ही नेवर सीन द सैडनेस, बट जब वो मरने के बाद उनको एक स्टैचू की तरह उनको वहाँ पर रखा गया उनका स्टैचू बना के, तो नाउ ही कैन सी दैट the pain and the misery of the poor people of his town। अब वहाँ पर एक दिन क्या हुआ, सोलो बर्ड आई जो कि इजिप्ट जाना था, एज इट वॉज स्टार्टिंग ऑफ ए विंटर। जो सोलो बर्ड होती है वो विंटर्स में नहीं रहती हैं क्योंकि उन्हें इजिप्ट का जो इन्वायरमेंट होता है, एटमोसफियर होता है, वो ज़्यादा सूट करता है। सो शी वॉज गोइंग टू लाइक फ्लाई टू द इजिप्ट एरिया, बट उन्होंने उस रात को क्या हुआ, वो उसने एक दिन के लिए शेल्टर लेने के लिए क्या किया, जो हैप्पी प्रिंस के जो स्टैचू उसमें नीचे उसने अपने आप को वहाँ पर बैठी। बट अचानक से क्या हुआ कि उसके ऊपर बारिश होने लगी पानी की, तो वो सोचती कि इट वॉज लाइक द रेन हैज़ स्टार्टेड। बट जब उसने अपना पंख खोला तो उसने देखा कि दैट वॉज अ हैप्पी प्रिंस हु वॉज क्राइंग। तो उसने हैप्पी प्रिंस से पूछा कि वाई यू आर क्राइंग। सो ही सेड दैट व्हेन आई वॉज अलाइव आई हैवंट सीन द माई पीपल्स पेन। और जब मैं यहाँ पर आज मुझे स्टैचू की तरह यहाँ पर खड़ा किया गया है, मुझे यहाँ पर प्लेस किया गया है, तो मुझे देख के बहुत ज़्यादा पेन हो रहा है कि मैं अपने टाउन पीपल के लिए कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ। सो व्हाट दे डिसाइडेड कि उसने क्या बोला कि सोलो कुड यू प्लीज़ हेल्प मी, और मैं अपने टाउन पीपल के लिए कुछ करना चाहता हूँ। तो नाउ सोलो हैड डिसाइडेड टू हेल्प हिम। अब उसने फर्स्ट टाइम क्या देखा कि देयर वाज अ सिमिस्टर जो कपड़ा सिलती है, शी वॉज मतलब कि वो कुछ काम कर रही है मगर उसके घर में उसका जो बीमार बेटा वहाँ पर लेटा हुआ है, उनके पास कुछ भी खाने को नहीं है। तो हैप्पी प्रिंस ने सोलो को कमांड दिया कि जस्ट टेक आउट अ रूबी फ्रॉम माई सॉर्ड एंड गिव टू दैट सिमिस्टर्स। तो वो उड़ के जाता है और वो सिमिस्टर के रूम में वो रख के चला आता है। फिर उसने देखता क्या कि एक आदमी है जो कि कुछ लिख रहा है अपने घर में, मगर उसके पास आग जलाने के लिए भी पेपर कुछ भी नहीं है। तो वो एक सफ़ायर निकालता है और वो रख आता है। तो इस तरीके से बहुत सी जगहों पे कुछ इवेंट जो मैंने आपको भी बताए हैं कि वहाँ पर उन्होंने सोलो ने हैप्पी प्रिंस की हेल्प करी। अब जब हैप्पी प्रिंस के पास कुछ भी नहीं बचा तो हैप्पी प्रिंस हैड ऑर्डर्ड सोलो टू फ्लाई अवे फ्रॉम दैट एरिया, बिकॉज अब क्या है वहाँ पर विंटर स्टार्ट हो रही है। तो सोलो ने कहा नो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लीव यू एज यू डोंट हैव अ आइज नाउ। अब तुम्हारे पास आँख नहीं है, यू आर माई गुड फ्रेंड, और मैं तुम्हें ऐसे छोड़ के नहीं जाऊँगा। तो वो बोलता नहीं, यू हैव टू गो बिकॉज इट्स अ विंटर टाइम एंड यू कैन नॉट सर्वाइव हेयर। तो वो बोलता नो आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू गो फ्रॉम हेयर। फिर क्या होता है जब विंटर स्टार्ट हो जाता है वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा, तो सोलो वॉज डाइड और वो उसके पैरों पे जाके गिर जाता है। फिर जिस दिन जब वो गिरता है तो क्या होता है, जो हैप्पी प्रिंस का स्टैचू होता है वो लेडन हार्ट से बना होता है, ठीक है, वो भी टूट जाता है। नेक्स्ट डे जब काउंसलर्स आते हैं, मेयर आते हैं वहाँ पर टहलने के लिए, तो उन्होंने देखा कि जो हैप्पी प्रिंस का स्टैचू है नाउ इट वाज नॉट लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, नाउ इट वाज नॉट लुकिंग वेरी गुड। तो उन्होंने ये डिसाइड किया कि अब हैप्पी प्रिंस का स्टैचू को निकाल देना चाहिए। सो द स्टैचू वाज टेकन डाउन, और जब उसको तोड़ा गया, एक फर्निश में मेल्ट किया गया, तो जो लेडन हार्ट था जिससे वो हार्ट बना था उसका, वो क्या हुआ, वो टूटा नहीं, वो ब्रेक नहीं हुआ। देयर वॉज अ साउंड ऑफ ब्रेक देयर बट दैट वॉज नॉट मेल्टेड। तो उसको उठा के फेंक दिया गया डस्टबिन में जहाँ पर सोलो की डेड बॉडी थी। नाउ द गॉड हैज़ ऑर्डर्ड हिज एंजल कि जाके आप इस सिटी से कोई दो अच्छी चीज़ लेकर आओ। तो एंजल तो आकर क्या लेकर जाती है, दैट वॉज अ डेड बॉडी ऑफ ए सोलो एंड दैट अ लेडन हार्ट। तो जब वो हेवन में जाती है गॉड के पास, तो गॉड वॉज वेरी हैप्पी दैट यू हैव ब्रॉट अ वेरी टू ब्यूटिफुल थिंग्स फ्रॉम दैट सिटी। तो उन्होंने कहा सोलो जो है वो उनके हेवन में, पैराडाइज में, वो हमेशा अच्छा गाना गाएगा, ही इज़ गोइंग टू सिंग अ सॉन्ग फॉर एवर। और जो लेडन हार्ट है प्रिंस का, हैप्पी प्रिंस का, वो हमेशा वहाँ पर हैप्पी प्रिंस को बहुत ज़्यादा माना जाएगा बिकॉज ही वॉज प्रेज फॉर एवर इन दैट सिटी। of gold because he had done a very beautiful thing. So in this manner, students, I have told you the story in English as well as in Hindi. Tomorrow I will be completing the chapter. I will be starting the explanation of the paragraph wise explanation. So if you have any, if you have a book, please just go through that chapter once again. Tomorrow I will be starting my explanation of the paragraph wise of the chapter. So students, till then, just take care and don't need to write all these things in your fair copy. Only the question answers which you all have to write it down. So till then, students, take care and bye bye.